Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to enable share product analysis in your Trust wallet. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already installed the Trust wallet extension in my Chrome browser. In case you have not, do it right now. It's quite easy. Now let's simply look at how to enable the share product analysis. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to settings. Right next to history, click on settings right now. Well guys, this is it. This is the settings page. As you can see, lots of options ranging from simply managing your wallet to locking your wallet. But right now, all we want to do is share product analysis. Right here, just above help and support, you can see a button like this that says share product analysis. Simply toggle on this button right here. And guys, that is it. That's how we enable share product analysis in Trust Wallet. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.